If you want to grow a beard for the first time, the first thing that you're supposed to do is setting a goal. How long, the length of the beard, how long do you want it to grow? Be realistic because there are many choices out there, beard styles that you can choose from. Choose a beard style and start growing the beard towards that beard style that you've chosen. That's the first thing that you want to start doing if you want to grow the beard for the first time. The second thing is to let it grow. Just let the beard grow. Let it be. Don't shave, don't do anything to it, just let it grow, then just let it grow. I know you might be tempted to want to shave it because maybe it's not growing the way it might be growing against your expectations. It might be growing in the way that you don't expect it to grow. Just let it grow. That's the second thing that you want to do if you are growing the beard for the first time. The third thing that you want to do if you are growing the beard for the first time is decide to trim it. Go to that hairstylist who do your hair, explain to him that you want to do the lining. The fourth thing to do if you're growing the beard for the first time is start using the products. Products like the beard balm or the beard oil. These products are perfect if you are growing the beard for the first time and they help you to grow a beard at a faster pace. They promote beard growth and they're just perfect. I use this beard balm to just structure my beard and I use the beard oil to make my beard smell good and to grow the beard. Start using beard products. Products like beard oil or beard balm or the blush and the hair comb, many things. The fifth thing to do if you're growing the beard for the first time is to take care of it. Start taking care of your beard, especially if you're going out. You don't want your beard to be carelessly. You want to put it in place so that you look smart and clean and people will love it. And that's the only things that you're supposed to do if you want to grow the beard for the first time. Ladies, thank you. Oh, gentlemen, thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Maryland.